Okay, we've got this BGC Affinity door here to do. We can tell this is a BGC because it's got A, which stands for Affinity, upside down A, and this is the shape of the BGC Affinity handle. You see it's kind of a, it's like a D, but it's got a bit of a funny shape. The top lever is normally the same color as the handle, and the middle lever is always silver with the lock barrel just below it. This particular door, when we open it, it drops, and that's because the roller in the bottom section here has separated from the screw and is now up here somewhere. So in order to get this door out, we need to, this is the where the fixed panel and the sliding panel meet, up in the top lintel section, just up in here. There's a little block, that little block thing there. We just need to remove that so that we can get enough height out of the door to get it out of the track at the bottom there. So we've removed the top block. Now we've just got to try and get the door out. So we'll lift it up, look it over. We'll just use a everyday ordinary old flat paint scraper. This is a good wide 4-inch one. Lift the door out, just kind of rest this back half on there. On the edge of the sill section, find the old roller. Way up here. So that comes through there. Hold the door up one end, simply lift that up. And pop the door out. There's the roller hanging out there. So when you lift the door, gravity pulls it down. When you drop it, I don't know if you can see that or not, but the roller's just there. Okay, so we've got the door out now. This is the roller. This is a 1092. You can, if you want to, just click a new roller in there. That roller's a 4140. They're both roll track part numbers. And for some reason or other, I don't know why, but the screw that goes through here just simply worked its way loose, so that screw fits into that cross member there. So I'll just fix that back into position, put the door back in, realign it and lube it, and back to a smooth sliding door again. So reattach the roller the roller to the screw through here. A handy hint for setting the height of these up is you basically just run your thumb across, and when you can just feel that roller just touch the meat of your thumb, then that should be set up at the correct height. Also do the same with the other one and set up at the right height. So theoretically, when you put the door back in, the side frame should be parallel to the wall frame. So we'll get that door back in and see what that looks like. Okay, so we've got the door back in again now. We set the rollers up so they were both exactly the same height, but you'll notice that it's meeting at the bottom, but as we go up, the gap at the top's wider. So what we need to do now is just get this bottom roller here and just turn it clockwise to raise this rear roller up so that this alignment, this is the alignment, make sure that's true and parallel. Okay, so that's adjusted now. That gap going up and down there is nice and parallel. It's a bit hard to see. It's a bit close to the wall, but that's nice and parallel. Now the other thing that we need to have a look at is the keeper, which goes into the hole in the lock mechanism here. So if this is out of alignment, then what happens is the top of the keeper can hit the top of the lock mechanism here and it won't engage and it will break through here. So you just have to make sure that that's properly aligned as well. So I'm just going to do that now. There's just 2 screws here and here. You loosen those off, this thing adjusts up and down. So the top of this just has to go into that hole there.